and welcome to the vlog. So as you guys could see from yesterday, we were just playing board games and hanging out, and we're very much in the Christmas spirit. So I will show you guys a tree tour and everything that we did, but today I do want to pick up some stuff for like my family's tree, because we are setting it up there as well. Well, I'm not, my sister is, but she did ask us to pick up some stuff. I literally had just like a crazy morning full of deadlines and work and all that and like boring stuff. Let me show you guys my super basic girl Toronto winter outfit. So let me put on my jacket and then I'll show you. Okay guys, super basic winter girl edition of my outfit. I'm just wearing these really comfortable Girlfriend Collective leggings, my black Ugg boots, this crop sweater from Revolve, and then this is my super puff. This is the long one in the matte pearl. I've linked it in videos before, but I'll try to link it again for you guys if they have it. And then I didn't show you these last time, but I actually have the matching gloves. So thank you to Sarah at Aritzia Blore for these. She actually DM'd me and said these were in stock like before lockdown, so I had to pick them up so I could become one big marshmallow. I have never looked sexier! This is Toronto winter for you guys. Oh my god. I've literally never looked like this on camera. Those are pretty. So festive. Okay, so we are back home now. Thank you, Dill. And I actually used my Cricut machine to cut out some iron-on little monograms because I bought my entire family matching Christmas pajamas this year. Yeah, we're all gonna be really safe, and just so that way we can, like, I mean, I think everyone has to make their own judgment call when it comes to holidays this year. I'm not gonna really get into it, but I just hope that like everyone's leading with compassion and being extra safe this year. Yeah, it's a crazy time we're living in, and we just really have to make the best of it. We're obviously not doing some huge family Christmas gathering. We're really lucky that we live so close to my mom and my sister and brother and all that, because our Christmas will obviously be very small this year. What I decided to do this year is we purchased everyone matching Christmas pajamas, and this is a surprise. So this is a surprise. So if any of you guys are watching this and you're getting one, don't look at this, Matthew. So I purchased everyone matching Christmas pajamas. The most efficient and affordable place was Old Navy, so that's what I decided to do. I bought these little cotton bags, and I actually monogrammed them myself using the Silhouette machine we have, which is one of those like cutter printer things. I can't tell if it should go on the right or the left. I already did the cutout as well, so I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep.
So we got all of our stuff wrapped under the tree. Well, not all of it. We actually have a few more things coming in shortly that I do need to add, but I'm really pumped about how full the tree is looking. I know it's not about gifts, but like there's something that just brings me joy just seeing like our tree decorated, obviously, and the gifts underneath, and just having everything prepared and not being stressed out last minute, especially because this year's kind of a crazy one where we do have to rely heavily on post since we are in lockdown right now. Just really grateful for that. I'm really grateful that we're even able to celebrate Christmas this year and everything. So yeah, again, this is like obviously not all for just like mine and Dill's gift exchange. Like that would be extensive. Like I have things in here for my grandma, we have things for my aunt, we have things for Dylan's niece and nephew. We just have a lot of stuff. Like obviously you can see what's labeled here. So yeah, I also have some birthday gifts under the tree for people who have December birthdays that we are giving gifts to. So yeah, really excited about that. Okay, so now we're going to do the tour of our tree because it just looks really pretty at night like this. So I think this is actually the best time to do it. Okay, so if you guys were with us here last year, you'll know that we had garland, we had a wreath. We kind of did it a little bit big last year because this was the first year in our apartment. But this year, we obviously pared it down for a multitude of reasons, but I think we still were able to manage to make it quite festive. So we used a lot of our decor from last year. But first off, these are our stockings. We just hung them with command hooks. It's not super fancy. We don't even fill them because normally we do go to like my family house for Christmas morning. So they're just there for decor. Our building does not allow real trees. I think it's a fire hazard or something, so we always have a faux tree. I grew up with a faux tree. One day we will have a real one. But this is one from Michael's. We got it at like half off. It was a really good deal. It was pre-lit. It's the 7-footer. And it fits really well in this space. We actually got it before we moved in, and it was in my family basement. So yeah, love the additions we made this year. So if you guys have watched any of my previous Christmas videos, we have these little brush ornaments and they're so stinking cute. We collected them at HomeSense, I believe. Just every time we went to a HomeSense, we pick up a few one year. And then the milk glass ornaments are from Michael's, and those are things that we already had. The pine cones is actually a funny story. If you watch one of our vlogs, you'll know that we picked these up off of the ground and actually dried them out and then painted the flocking on ourselves. And I really want to make it more fun this year, especially because we were inside and I was into crafts. So one thing that we did, if you've been following me on my Instagram, was we actually did all these little mushrooms. I really wanted a mushroom themed tree and I could not find mushroom ornaments anywhere, so I felt like this was the best option. Yeah, we actually just did them with modeling clay. Some of it was oven baked, some of it was air dry clay. I highly recommend spending the extra little bit of money and doing the oven baked clay because it's a lot faster. And then we painted them, we Mod Podged them glossy, and they turned out so cute. Isn't that not the cutest thing ever? And then the other thing that we did was we felt like our tree needed something a little bit more this year, so we did add some other ornaments in the shape of gnomes. I love gnomes. I feel like I've always loved gnomes, and I love these little fairy creatures and stuff like that. I think it's really fun, and it really went with the theme of woodland, folklore, kind of that vibe. But we actually made these little gnomes. They're really cute. So all we did was the base is actually paper, and we followed a Pinterest tutorial, and then the yarn is his beard, and this was all extra fabric I had lying around from all of my other projects. So that was really inexpensive because we didn't buy anything again for this stuff. Pride and joy of the tree this year is definitely our tree topper. But bam! That is our tree topper. He's so great. He's basically just a large gnome, but we made him out of a red Solo cup. And I feel like that's the perfect metaphor for everything we do in life. We have to give it a little bit of fun. Maybe I'll do a full-on ornament DIY video next year, but again, we just kind of were inspired by a few things off of Pinterest. A lot less expensive than the one I really wanted from Pottery Barn, so that's how it went. And then over here we have 2 other gnomes. We picked these up at a Christmas market. So the wrapping, we pick a different wrapping every year, and one thing my family really loves is Charlie Brown, especially Charlie Brown Christmas. I have no idea why. Every birthday, someone's getting a Charlie Brown themed birthday card or Christmas card or whatever. So especially my grandma. So we went with this wrapping paper. It's just Charlie Brown themed. It's very cute. Yeah, that was our DIY Christmas tree. We're gonna chill for the rest of the night, and I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow.
Wow, look at my hair. Did it look like a little bow?
I want to do a fun DIY because I've been just doing a bunch of them for the holidays, and I actually figured out a way thanks to one video on TikTok, and I saw it on Pinterest. And you know when you look at something and then it just goes away forever into the internet abyss? I can't find it, but I realized a lot of people have been doing this, so I don't know who the original creator of it is, but I do know that there's actual makers of these candles, including Lex Pot candles. They sell them at Urban Outfitters. They sell them right through Lex Pot's website, I believe, and stuff like that. Oh, basically there are the curvy candles that you could make in all different types of ways, and I found a way to do it. It's really simple. I'm actually gonna boil some water for it. I purchased some candles that I think will be really fun to do it to for the holidays. So I bought a bunch of these candles from the dollar store. I've already tested out one time, and I actually was able to bend one of these tapered candles into this. Fingers crossed this works again. It is a little bit finicky, so I'm going to try to do it with warmer water this time, and also let the water really sit there. So we have this thing of hot but not like too hot. Like I could still put my finger in it and stuff. Water, and I'm just gonna throw all the pillar candles I want to shape in here, and they should be fully submerged. And I've seen people soak them for like 10 minutes or more, so I'm gonna be doing the exact same thing. I'm just gonna soak them until they feel fully malleable, and I know it works, but I've only been able to get it working properly one time. I suppose this is, you can also do this with scented candles as well, or you can make your own beeswax candles and do them like this. But I just found this to be the most accessible option. Why is this so hard to open? When I tried this before I tried filming it, I broke so many of them, so let's hope that it goes better this time. Take a mason jar. We're gonna fill this with water so that way they feel fully submerged. I already filmed a video wearing this in like a haul, but is this not the most cozy set ever? I'm wearing head to toe Song of Style right now. I'll have these pieces linked if they still have them available, because I just think that they're all really good for work from home. I like items and stuff. I'm wearing everything in a size small. Excuse the garbage bins, guys, but I want to show you guys. I have them soaked in water. As you guys can see, those ones are already bending. I've soaked them for about 15 to 20 minutes in pretty warm water, but obviously not like hot to the touch. Then I also have a bin here of, a bowl of cold water as well. Toledo, it's not food though. It's not food, okay? Anyway. Oh! I'll put the cold water here. So noisy, I'm sorry guys, we're taking out the garbage. I live in a building. This happens, you know? Let's do the curvy one first. So I'm gonna do these ones because they're pretty like tried and true in terms of how curvy they are. Oh my god, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's do this. Last time I broke it already. Why am I not getting this right? Dylan thinks, I've seen people do it though.
Yeah, but I don't know if our stuff's hot enough.
I put boiling water in here.
Really slow too, though.
Yeah, I think I'm just not gonna do too much curving. Maybe it's because I have cheap candles. That's sick. Cold water dip, you go. Let's try this one. This one could be festive. I wanted it to like hold itself though, you know? I feel like I'm on like a... I broke it. What the hell? Okay, you know what? Maybe the red ones are just not for me. Okay, let's try this one now. Should we just stick them in the microwave? We now know that there's no metal piece at the end, I don't think. Like, just stick them in the microwave for like 10 seconds, see what happens. Well, like, this is the only one that worked. It's cute. I just want to do one that joins it, and now I broke like all of them. Maybe I missed the mark of them being like... Yeah, everyone made it look so easy. Okay. Okay, we see you. Cold water, cold water. Maybe I need to do it where it's less vulnerable. Let's have music that's like... That's kind of cool. I really think this could work. Let's just see what happens. I'm just gonna put this in the microwave and see what happens. I put it in the microwave. I don't know if that's gonna work. I think I made it harder. I just like give up. I made 3 good ones. We're gonna quit while we're ahead. So I think the key to doing this, and I'm just like refusing to buy more candles to do this craft. I actually have 1 batch of candles I can still do this with, but I think the key to this and doing these like curvy, cool, aesthetic candles is to leave them in like really hot water and to start molding them while the water is still hot. Like, make sure it's hot water. Like, I don't think this warm, like lukewarm water business is cutting it, but it did kind of work for these ones. I think they will look cute in little candle holders I made with oven baked clay a while ago. So I'm gonna just stick them right there behind our gnomes and see how this goes.
Of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year It's just gonna be you and me.
This is me taking pictures of my failed candles. Okay, this is what we ended up doing. Looks far better in this video than it does over there, so if you want to see the after shot, definitely check out my Instagram. But the thing is, like, they're not very practical for actually burning because, especially this one, you're going to have to really watch it because, like, you obviously don't want it to burn to the ground, so it's really just more for the look rather than actually burning them, but I think they're cute. Good morning, guys. It is the next day and today is a full-on work day. So today I am actually filming a brand integration with Vitaly, and they have like all these really cool and pretty affordable but great quality jewelry. So I got to pick a bunch of pieces and I'm going to style them in a video that I was inspired by Vogue to do. I'm sure a lot of you have seen this already, but like the Hailey Bieber like outfits of the week video where she just kind of explains like why she's wearing certain outfits. I kind of did one similar to this, but it was more like a fast quick change one, but I really want to do one that's more in that style. So that is how I'm going to kind of do my brand work today. So today I'm just writing out all of the days of the week, and then I'm going to slot in what I would be wearing on each day and why I'd be wearing it. The jewelry is so cute. I'll show you guys just like a few pieces so you guys can see, but oh gosh, these are my favorite rings ever. So the first two I have here, guys, like how cute are these? This like little yin yang one and the smiley face, and I believe they're like between $65 and $85 Canadian. That's like such a great price for like the quality. This is so up my alley. Also, let me know whose Vlogmas videos that you guys have been liking. I'm always like a sucker for Aspen's videos. I really like Tara's videos, and I've been watching just a lot of like random like home decor stuff too because it's like always my favorite. I like McKenna Lee a lot, but yeah, let me know who your favorites are in the description box, not the description box, comment section, because I'm always looking for new people to watch. Some rings on.
Layering.
Layering is key. Okay.
What's up?
The romance and working together.
So cute.
That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Love that. I like mixing metals. I think it's really fun. Okay. Should we add one more for good measure or not?
Go for it.
And then this is the way I like to mix metals, really. Cute. That's so cute. Right? It so like makes the outfit. That's the crazy part. So I want to show you guys something that I'd probably wear out and about if we decide to shoot an Instagram photo. Instagram versus reality. Reality. Okay guys, that is the end of today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This video will hopefully be out around the same time this one goes up. If not, maybe just a couple days later. We do have some exciting stuff coming up. Look how fun this jewelry is. I just like can't get over how good this stuff is. Like it's so great. My vlog isn't sponsored. This is just stuff I really like. And I'll try to link everything that I mentioned in this video. Okay guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye everyone.
Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.